This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering what matters: a compatible PC, a spare 8+ GB USB, and a full backup of your files. Once done, download the Chrome OS Flex image or a Chromium OS build, then use the Chromebook recovery utility to write the image to the USB stick. Make sure to verify the write completed successfully. This stage avoids wasted cycles later. You're creating a bootable installer, so the actual conversion step is fast and reversible if you choose to try first. You should power on, enter BIOS/UEFI, and set USB as the first boot device. Disable Secure Boot if the image requires it. Once you boot from the stick, pick the trial session to check Wi-Fi, touchpad, camera, and audio work. If everything functions, choose Install and opt to erase and install only when you've confirmed hardware compatibility. This two-step trial, then install process prevents bricking and gives you a safe checkpoint to confirm drivers and network connectivity before committing. You finish by signing into your Google account and walking through the setup prompts. Chrome OS will apply updates and optimize drivers. Once installed, reboot and verify peripherals. Enable Linux, Crostini, if you need terminal or app support. If a device doesn't work, recheck BIOS settings, reflash the USB installer, or try the other Chromium build because driver support varies by model. One key troubleshooting tip: keep your recovery USB and a backup image so you can restore the original system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.